Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. I hope all are good, isn't it? Zaira, Ishni, Hanan, if I turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my laptop is loading, so I will just rejoin from there. Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Do you have any confusion in your timetable? Yes. Okay. That's clear.
Ma'am, don't tell about the timetable, ma'am. It's like the time changed, right? It's like I forgot. I'll be like, okay, after I have
Yeah,
a,
yesterday someone forgot the training. That's why I'm asking.
I'll be like, okay, this period is seminar one, so I don't want to join. Then I'll be like, oh my god, today I have Arabic class. I'll be like sleeping, and when I check, it will be like that.
Yeah. That's why I'm repeating the same method. Okay, which is the first period?
Science. Science, then English, then Arabic, then maths, then a spotlight speakers club.
Okay. Who is taking the spotlight to Speakers Club?
There is a madam.
Teachers keep changing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Again.
Athiya ma'am and Afrin ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Shakira, are you sleeping?
So, Sakina, any reports from yesterday?
Okay. Something special to say. Yeah, what about the magazine articles? I think today is
Ma'am,
28. You have two more, 2, 3 minutes more.
uh, 2, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 more days.
Yes, 3 more days.
But I'm done with the article. What else can I submit?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hanan. Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yeah, come on, say yes, Anand. Tell me.
uh, I send it to your photo. Then it's in WhatsApp.
Don't send to my number. I shared in your WhatsApp group one message. In that message, you will get a one mail ID like magazine mail at claim.co or something like that. So you have to send it through that mail. Okay. Don't share with me. You can
Okay,
send
ma'am.
to that mail ID. What's about your Nuha, Khadija, your work, your articles?
Ma'am, done, but
Ma'am, yesterday
I
I
did.
said
I will
right.
submit it now.
I was like in the half.
Okay.
Today.
Ma'am, yesterday I said right. I was in the half of the AI one. Then if I came with the idea and she already wrote it, so I'm just
Mm.
thinking about like what to write and all. Can I draw? Is it okay?
Yes.
It's okay, right?
I just
Oh,
have to
it's okay.
write 4 or 3 more about
Uh,
the article, the
Miss,
topic.
Yeah,
Ayaan told me
poem,
he needs 15
essays,
minutes.
reports,
Yeah.
stories.
Miss,
Ma'am, so I will draw. Okay.
Okay, yeah. What about your vocational?
Miss, for which one?
So we are deciding to publish in magazine, school magazine. So we are collecting articles from yourself, from your students. So you wanna write something for that articles. Okay, the magazine.
Okay.
So that's all today. Your ma'am will join. Okay. Then have a great day to you all. Bye.